Welcome back to the launch video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a to-do app in Python. So let's get started. We're going to be using custom TK Inter for this video. So it is basically TK Inter but better and easier. And by being better, I mean just like best better. So like it beats anything. So it now after I found custom TK Inter, it just takes GUI to a much better level. So let's get started and create this simple to-do app graphical user interface GUI. So the first thing you need to do is hit the custom TK Inter. And just like that, we have downloaded custom theme. Now the next thing that you need to do is import custom into as CT. That's the new name for it now, CTK or CTK. Then after that, the next thing that we will do is create a define. So define is add to do. Define add underscore to do. And then after that, we are just going to be creating brackets and so to do is equal to entry dot get. Now before we do that, let's just create a simple window. So right over here, let's just type root is equal to ctk dot ctk like that. And then right after that, let's create our geometry. The root dot geometry, and our geometry will be 750 and 450 like that. Then after that, all we need to do is root dot title is daily to do to do. And then after that, root dot label. And now we got the simple screen here. So yeah, this looks quite nice. We have this new logo for our custom TK the windows, daily to do, and we have our nice screen. So let's continue. So after this, so let's go back to our define. So to do is entry dot get. Then after that, we are going to be adding a label. So it's equal to ctk dot ctk label. Then after that, scrollable, or I need to check. So scrollable frame. And then text is equal to do. And then we will add this later on. So it's just because I'm doing this early. Then label.pack. So then we are going to be adding it in pack. Then after that, entry dot delete 0 and ctk dot end. So after we have this, let's go after our roots one and then type title label is equal to ctk dot ctk label So root text is, so it will be in root, and our text is daily to do list. Then after that, we need a font for it, obviously. So our font is equal to, this time I'm going to be putting ctk.ctk dot, no, not dot. On the font, we don't need a dot, and inside it, we don't need much more. We only need to put in a size. The size is equal to 30. And then we need our weight. So our weight is equal to gold. And just like that, we have a tiny label, but there's only one more thing we need to add. It's title label dot fact. And now inside it, we are going to be adding things. So it's add x, add x is equal to 10, and add y is equal to 48 points. And that. So why have we put it in a list? I don't want it in a list. Sorry about that. And now we have a daily to-do list title on top. So I think it is great. Now we need to add a scrollable frame. So let's add a scrollable frame. Now remember the scrollable frame over here? It is now okay. So scrollable frame is our ctk.ctk scrollable frame. Now in CK Inter, you will have to do a lot of code to get this scrollable frame. But the thing about CTK, custom TK Inter, is that it has a tiny function for everything you want. You want a scrollable frame? Okay, use the scrollable frame. You want the label? Okay, use the CTK label. You want this entry? Okay, use the CTK entry. So it has like a tiny function that you just need to type it in for everything. So basically, it helps you by a million times. Then after that, you just need to type root width equal to 500, height is equal to 200. And now the next thing that you need to do is scrollable frame. Dot. You don't need to add anything in here. And now we have this tiny, nice scrollable frame. And now, if this was in TK Inter, you would have to add code for the curved edges. But look at this. Custom TK Inter has everything covered for you. It even has curve done, and everything done. And we have this tiny scrollable frame now. So that's great, right? Now the next thing that we need to add is our entry. So our entry is equal to this one. So now we have everything, almost everything. Sorry. CTK dot CTK entry. We even have one for segmented button. Wow. So CTK entry, and then that we are going to be typing in scrollable frame. That's where we want to put it in. But it's still in the placeholder text is equal to add to do. Now after that, we just need to add entry.tag fill is equal to X. And now after that, we have this tiny add to do now. I can type in whatever I want. So I want to eat lunch. Everybody wants to eat lunch. Now the last thing is how can we add it into our list? So it's very simple. Let me show it to you. So all you need to do is add underscore button. It's equal to ctk dot ctk button. Now, there's a lot of type of buttons. There are segmented buttons, there are radio buttons, but we just want a normal button. And now, then after that, we just need a root. Then after root, what do we need? We need our text. The text is equal to add item. Then after that, we need a width is equal to 500. Okay, that's a big one. I'm just putting random numbers. And command is equal to add to do. Now I used to work with tkinter, and this command function is what we used to use. So now let's run this. Okay, so oops, I forgot to add one line of code, and that's kind of an important line, so we need to add it. It is add button dot path and padding, so I just type padding equals 20. And now if we run this paddle, we get this, and now I can type anything like eat lunch, add item, and now we have it. So there are a lot of type of buttons you can choose to try out these segmented buttons. So let's try out the segmented buttons, and it gets an error. Oh, okay. So segmented buttons, we are not able to do it. So let's use normal buttons for now. And now if we run this, we have a nice thing. We can eat lunch, add an item. Then after that, we have play or something. Now, as you want to see that this is absolutely scrollable. So I can just scroll down and see what other stuff I added. And you can even type the time. So lunch 1, lunch at 1. So I want to do lunch at 1. And right over here, lunch 1. So you have a nice to-do list over here. And then after that, on later videos, I will show you how you can save this list. So, I hope you like this GUI and this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Ponge video time is out. Thank you for watching. Bye. And bye.